Hey guys, I wanted to record this quick little video for you explaining to you what the Discover channel is. If you look to the very right of your phone inside of Messenger where it says Discover and highlighted in blue, this is your navigation bar at the bottom inside of Messenger. But a lot of people don't realize that there's this area called Discover, and what Discover is basically a directory built inside of Messenger itself. And by the way, this directory is free to be featured in. There could be paid at some point, but they also do featured bots as well. These are all Messenger bots and chat extensions that you can build inside of Facebook along with a third-party service like Segmate. But I actually teach people how to get listed in here, and I just want to show you that they have all of these categories. So the top one is education. And you can see Russell Brunson, who is a thought leader in marketing, probably one of the top marketers out there. He actually was early on this, and he's in the #1 spot. So you can see that these are all different companies and people and bots and brands that are listed in here. Again, free, completely free traffic. You do, like I said, have to have a bot. Now, I want to show you something really cool. Because of some of the strategies that I teach, I was able to rank a site right here, Ecom Shipper, that you can see. I was able to rank that in the 3rd position under productivity relatively quick. And by the way, I'm going to show you this site real quick. It only has 23 likes on this fan page. So it's a fan page that I don't even push. We have a couple hundred users on here, but it's really more of a side project and app that we built inside of Shopify. But really, let's get back into why you would want to do this. One is it's free traffic from Facebook. So you're going to get, the second reason, which is tons of visibility, okay? And not only that, you're going to capture free leads. So anytime someone clicks on here, it's actually going to trigger this bot. So this is like the first bot that gets triggered. And also, too, you can have your persistent menus if you've built a persistent menu, which is kind of like a menu on your website. Really, really neat stuff. As soon as someone opens this up, it's going to trigger off that bot, and then they're going to be able to start engaging inside of your bot, and you're going to capture that lead. So anyway, I just wanted to show you this. A lot of people aren't aware of this, and it's very simple. Facebook does have some requirements, and there are ways that you would want to use to rank yourself. This is something that I actually teach in a course, and if it's something you want, let me know and I'll send